Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've got to show you this. You're not going to believe this. You are not going to believe this. Look. It's snowing. It's snowing, and today is May 1st. I cannot believe it's snowing outside. Our friends are actually staying with us, and they got treated to a snowstorm. I get so giddy when there's snow outside. I have not even had my coffee yet. Look at. I know it's only going to be here for like a day, right? So I know there's going to be an end to the snow. It's not going to be cold forever. Oh my gosh. And those of you that live in snowy climates for like 8 months out of the year, my hat's off to you. You are warriors and you're amazing. So I'm going to take today and just like giggle and enjoy this because I know the kids are going to want to play in it. I love the snow. Eli's already out there. Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Is he gonna throw one at us? Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna throw it? He threw a snowball. Oh my gosh. I love chunky snow falling from the sky. And Eli's gonna be out there just living it up. To this day, we still don't have proper snow gear because the kids grow out of it before we see snow again. I think it's just super magical. Look at the snow in his hair. Fram, are you a snow fan? Like I said, a lot of you live in super snowy areas for like 8 months out of the year. And I know that has to be torture sometimes, or a lot of the time. But when it's this one little snowstorm, it is just pure magic. Oh boy, he's gonna throw this one. Oh boy, oh gosh, get ready. Ah! Weezy, you see the snow? You see the snow, Weezy? Oh, you're tucked on the couch. You're tucked on the couch. Oh, Theodore likes it. I think Theodore likes the snow. Eli asked if he could take Theodore out to go potty. Look at him. They're so cute. Oh, it's gonna be a good day. A good day. Let's go check on Kyle. The other two kids are asleep. Eli is most definitely up and enjoying the snow. But this guy is enjoying the snow from the comfort of his bed.
This is probably where I will remain most of the day.
For the whole day?
Because it's not hot, cold enough to like freeze it. So it's going to be slushy and gross. And I got my companion here.
Kevin!
Help it keep me warm.
Oh, Kevsters.
Yeah. So you get a little bit of view of the side of the shed. Yeah, there it is.
Wow. That is quite the snowy view. You do see the snow come down.
That's all I need.
You're in your nice warm bed.
Yeah, it's nice and warm in here. I mean, it's only like 32 out, so it's not like it's super cold, but...
Yeah, I mean, it's not...
It'd be super cold tomorrow, though. I think it's supposed to be like the low 20s tomorrow morning.
But it doesn't snow tomorrow. This is our day of snow.
This is going to be a frozen mess. Because it's going to snow like a lot today, and then it's going to melt a little, and then it's going to freeze, and it's going to be... Ugh. So I'll probably be here the remainder of the weekend.
The whole weekend. No yard sailing tomorrow for us.
What's today? Friday?
Yeah. I don't think they're going to have any yard sales today, though.
Yeah, I don't think they're having any tomorrow either. Not this.
Probably not. Nobody's going to want to be out there in 20 degrees. I mean, if it's a good enough deal. Kevin is at the ready.
Hey, boy.
Hey, Kevsters.
It's like I should waking up with Dad. Slowly waking up with Dad.
Good morning, Govers. How you doing, buddy? Fifi went outside in the snow.
Sure, he's thrilled.
Are you ready to be in this? Kevin loves the snow.
I don't even think he knows it's out there yet.
No, he just knows your love. Isn't it beautiful?
No.
Like the littlest bit?
It is not.
Oh.
No.
Dad, the only reason why I don't like it because you just hate the cold. Mommy, that's gonna be weirder to me. And guess what? You have to go outside.
I do not have to go outside, actually.
What about these dogs?
They could go outside. I go to the bathroom inside. They can go outside.
You'll just stand at the door.
I'll stand there and wish them well.
Thank you for my coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Kevin, ready to go in the snow?
No, I don't think he cares.
This one. It was like all over.
Oh, wow.
No. Would you get mad if I threw a snowball at you?
Here, throw it at him, guys. He's gonna target you. Oh, I'm in a beautiful snow angel over here. Wow.
Yeah.
His face. Kevin, look at me.
Gets it all over his face.
I smell Frank's wood-burning stove.
This guy's happy.
Oh, you got your bloodies out.
This is my only somewhat high-rise or high-top shoe.
Is Wheezy still outside?
I believe so, yes.
The boys got it.
You coming in, Weezy girl? Come on, Eloise. Come on. She's like, no, I'm not done yet.
She's like, I am still frolicking in the snow.
So what are you doing?
I'm drying off the pupper's feet. When you're in a bus and it's snowy,
Yeah,
it gets super messy very quickly.
I don't care for this very much because this is like dirty snow because it's already melting, so it's so wet.
Look at her tail.
Yeah, she's not concerned. You coming? Come on. Come on. You coming? All right. Kevin's getting a little breakfast.
Come here, Weezers. Come here. Watch out, Phoebes. Come here, Weezy. Let me get the nose. Let me get the nose. Let me get the toes. Oh.
Chico wasn't out there very long, was he?
No, he was like back in here very quickly.
Right back there.
I picked him up and cuddled him in the towel.
Theodore had to be on a leash because he's being a naughty boy.
He is being a naughty boy, Phoebes.
Yeah, he is.
Excuse me, Weezy. One more paw there. One more paw. There we go.
Well, off Molly goes with her friend, I think. They're trying to start up P-dubs. While the other kids are... Oh, wait, they're buckling it up. Buckling it up. Eli is getting ready to throw some snowballs. Or a snow... Oh, dear. All right. Is it gonna start? All right, here they go. Well, P-Dubs is not wanting to start today. P-Dubs is cold. And away they go. Maybe. Possibly. Good morning. We had a very lazy day for the rest of the day. After we walked the dogs, we kind of just hung out inside and watched some movies and did some snuggles and did not pick you back up. And for that, I apologize. It is a bright, shiny new day, and on this day, let me show you. The snow is gone. It is gone. However, the mountain, ooh, look at her. She is beautiful. She's shining in all of her snowy glory today. But we're going to take you on a tour of the property. We're going to take you on a tour of Goldie Barnes. Maybe bring you inside Blue Betty. She's a hot mess. We got a lot of work to do with her. And then we are going, there's a fiesta down in the plaza in Las Vegas. So we're going to go down there, check out the fiesta, hear some music.
I need to buy some teas. So today is gonna be a super, super fun day. Let me get dressed, let me put my clothes on, and then we'll take a tour.
I was on my phone when we were up there. She got
Would you like my Bethunes? Oh, I love you too. Yeah, baby. I'm what?
Watch out, Pipis. Pipis is very naughty.
Here you go. I heard him.
Very naughty.
You're gonna have to go in your channel. You're gonna have to go in your channel. Yeah, that's where we're gonna have to put you because you're making poor choices. You're not making good choices.
Oh, how's it going, my friends? Long time no see, and I apologize for that. I apologize for being absent and shifting things up on you guys once again, but unfortunately it's just kind of what we got to do, and I'm glad you guys are here. I want to take you a little tour. I was supposed to do this earlier. Hopefully Jen won't get too mad at me. Kind of been a busy day. We got some visitors, and went to town today, and as you saw, the fiesta, I'm going to call it a mini fiesta. Definitely wasn't like the main fiesta they have. I believe is in July. I think I took you guys there a couple years ago. Yeah, it's good to see you guys. But yeah, we're back here. We made it back. Had a really snowy couple days. Well, snowy yesterday. As you can tell, it is pretty much all but gone at this point. The property is very overgrown. We've got I'm tractorless, so at this trying to figure out the best way to get it cleaned up and ready to go. Definitely a lot of overgrowth, just kind of crap everywhere. Do plan on getting out here and cleaning it up a little bit. Maybe fix Eli's basketball hoop. I think they hit it with the P-dubs. Oh yeah, P-dubs right over there, by the way. Yeah, got it running. I had to put a new, first thing we got here, they were so excited to ride it. A battery was dead. All the tires were flat. Luckily, they aired up pretty good, so I had to put a new battery in her, and she's been running pretty good. They've done burnt through several tanks of fuel, several tanks of gas at this point, and I've been having a good time. But as you can see, the property is very overgrown, unfortunately. I don't mind my junk pile back here. But yeah, here's a little bit of the leftover snow. Not much left at this point. A little bit that in the shadow, or yeah, in the shadows, kind of in between the shed or Goldie Barns here and the bus. So it won't be long and that will be gone. I do believe we may have a little more coming next week. Oh yeah, there's Blue Betty. Still standing tall. Yeah, it's good to see her when we got here. I love this old bus. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if we need to sell it. Here's the, oh yeah, there we go. That's the good stuff. That's why we're here. Yeah, you can still see a little bit of the remnants on the mountain from the snow. It warmed up today. It was up in the mid 50s, so all the snow on these lower, I guess you'd call like foothills, has diminished. But yeah, it's all gone for the most part. It snowed quite a bit, honestly. It snowed probably 2, 3, 4 inches, maybe something like that. I don't know. I'm not a snow expert. I've spent most of my life in rain, so snow is not something I have a lot of experience with. But yeah, it was didn't get too cold. If it would have been colder, it would have been a lot more snow. Because a lot of it, by the time, especially during the day, by the time it hit the ground, it would melt. So I don't know. Luckily or not luckily, I'm not really sure which one is worse. Because I think the slush is worse for me personally because it's just so messy. Oh, yeah, big old pimple on the face there. I hope you all are doing well. Good to see you. And yeah, I think this is the right thing to do. It's a kind of a combination of me and Jen and doing our thing, going back to where we started, where we belong, I think. And yeah, I'm excited to keep this going with her. And New Mexico's been good. It's so beautiful here. It's just like, listen. There's some kids in the Goldie Barn, so you may hear a little bit of that. But other than that, there's nothing. It's dead quiet. And I love that. It's interesting, you know, it's been an interesting concept or an interesting thing to go, you know, from Tampa area with my parents, being surrounded with people and going over to TTO, Orlando area, for a couple months, which is one of the most congested parts of the state. And then, of course, spending an entire month up in Madison with about 100 other families to come back somewhere like this where it's absolutely still and quiet. And yeah, it's been a shift. It's been an adjustment. But as you can tell, it is very overgrown. I don't know what to do about that. I don't have my tractor anymore, so I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do about that. Actually, both of my neighbors have put in a new fence while we were gone over the winter. Look at this here. They did a fantastic job. This is my closest neighbor to the left. He lives right next to us. But yeah, look at this thing. Like, they don't, when they build fences here in New Mexico, they do not mess around. Like they bring them out, they weld them right here on the property. And yeah, they built a really nice fence. And then my neighbor, he has equipment also. He came through and cleaned it all up. And it runs all the way down to our pasture area. And then I believe I think he's got like 10 acres here. And then it goes across there. And this neighbor over here, actually, I believe this is called a horse fence. Had just recently putting this up as well. Really, really nice fence. See, I don't know if you can tell, but the wires like really close together. Whereas this is a barbed wire fence. They went with more of a close, I believe this is called a horse fence, and they do have a couple strands of barbed wire at the top. I don't know if they're gonna, typically they have cattle out there. I'm not too sure if they're doing horses or cattle, but yeah, it's good to be back. It's good to be back in the West. I mean, the weather's just been, other than a little bit of snow, has been absolutely fantastic. It's super dry here though. New Mexico is in a bit of an issue. I don't know if I say it's an emergency, but definitely an issue right now because it is unseasonably dry. I believe the Rio Grande, which runs through Albuquerque, is not even flowing at the moment. And I believe I heard that's like the first time in decades, you know. And so since we've been here within our county and maybe neighboring counties, there's been like 4 or 5 wildfires within like less than 3 weeks. It's crazy dry. Luckily, you know, as you can tell, we did get a little bit of moisture with the snow, so that's a good thing. We definitely could use some more. Hopefully this coming week we'll get some rain. Heck, the snow's fine, whatever it is, because it's going to melt off and it's going to turn into water. We need water. I mean, like even like last year, I think, yeah, last year when we came here, it was in May. So basically today's May 2nd. This place was green. I mean, look how brown everything is. I mean, this looks like you would expect New Mexico to look, but this area typically greens up a lot because of the soil, and it does typically get a good amount of snow and rains, and it just has not been, I think it was their worst snow year in like the last 50 years. So like the snow resorts have struggled. It's just a sign of the times, man. You know, I think there's multitude of reasons why. I'm sure the drought is so significant, you know, water's usage, and obviously lack of rain and snow, you know, snow melt will cause that too, but all problems in which I have no control over. I can just do my best and be here. It's good to be back. I'm not gonna lie. It's good to be back. It is a beautiful place. It is a peaceful place, and it does feel really good to be back.
Hey, good morning, family. How you doing? I am so good. It is amazing to see you bright and early this morning. Kyle showed you all around here last night. We've had our friends staying with us, so this video is kind of spread out over a few days. So I appreciate you being so patient with me. I've got my Saratoga sparkling water. Kyle found these at the New Mexico Walmart. These are my guilty pleasure. I really love these sparkling waters. They're so crisp. They're so nice. They don't have any, you know, residual stuff that's left in them. Anyway, all of that to say, me and you are going on a walk up to the pasture overlook swing and see how it is and how everything back here has turned out. I gotta tell you, it has been so good being back and just getting to soak in New Mexico. Out of all the places we've been in the country, this is the view that I just feel at peace and at home. And yeah, we've been to 48 of the lower, or we've been to 47 of the lower 48 states, and New Mexico, it just has this energy that draws us here, and it's a very beautiful place. The journey back here, however, as you saw, was anything but easy. That was, whew, Kyle had a rough time. It was just problem after problem after problem. But I think you can't have that reward, you know, that reward of this beautiful view without a pilgrimage, without struggle, without problems. I think that so many times in my life I've wanted an easy button, you know, like, oh, just make this easy. And here's the thing, you don't really ever win with an easy button. Oh, look at these little growth spurts. Look at these little babies. Oh my goodness. Starting to get a little windy. When I came out, it was not as windy, so bear with me. I don't know how much of this we're going to be able to use. What I do know is that we will use the exact amount we are supposed to. This property, we put an offer in on this property 4 days after being in this town. 4 days. We followed our nudge, and it hasn't been an easy road, literally and figuratively, but it's been one of the most incredible journeys we've ever been on. So that is to say, we aren't sure what's next. We don't know if we're going to be staying here. We don't know if we're going to be like settling down here. We are going to grow some vegetables this summer, so you're going to be along for that. Me and Eli, we're pushing for chickens. And then maybe building a cabin on the land somehow. As you know, the bus ate up so much of our financial nest egg. And, I'm not going to harp on that. Red flags were had, decisions were made, fault is all around. And so I think working toward building a cabin is a beautiful thing. So we're going to see where this goes. The Bustique. I'm so excited about the Bustique and, what we're doing with that, and just being able to be there, for other people through clothing. It's my passion. There's a rock in the road. It really helped me become who I am now, and the freedom to express myself and explore who I am and who I want to be. And so this summer, I think this property is going to be that beautiful thing that helps us all in our growth. And I'm really grateful that you're going to be here with us on this journey, because we're going to need you. We really are. I just got done talking with our friends. It is so quiet here. Look at that. This has become such a place of solitude for all of us, really. The kids love it here. Molly would prefer to be closer to a bigger city, I will say. So does Kyle. And this is right where we need to be. Right now, we need to rebuild. We need to restore. That's just kind of where we're at. We're taking life day by day as it comes to us. We're not stressing. We're not worrying. We know that it's all coming. We just need to make the next aligned choice to get there. Look at all this new baby growth. I am so excited to share spring with you on the property. I think it's going to be a beautiful year. I see the pasture overlook swing right up there. Oh, look at all of these little buzzing bees around the flowers. Hey, Fram, do you know what the name of these bushes are? They're like a bushy tree thing. I'm not really sure. Let me get you a little close up on the flower. Oh, look. Hang on. Come on. Oh, all the little bees. I guess it's just not gonna focus. It just makes me giggle here. Listen to the meadowlark. If you need some peace in your day, just find us once a week. Come over to the farm. Oh man, this elevation. It is no joke. It has been getting to us. I know it may not look like it. That's kind of flat down there where we were. This is the Mora Valley. It's amazing here. It really is. But elevation has been kind of kicking all of our tushies. We walk up here with the kids for 4 o'clock family walk. We all get our exercise in. We come up to the swing up here, the pasture overlook swing, and we search for airplanes and look up. Kyle's got an app to see where the plane is flying. And yeah, we look for airplanes in the sky. Oh, look at that halo. I want to thank you for joining us on this little adventure.
The snow was amazing. It was absolutely spectacular. I'm always so in awe of the magic of that first snowfall, you know? That was so much fun, and getting to go down to the fiesta was a lot of fun. I know you spent a few days with us this week. I know we didn't take you along the whole day, but I'm so grateful for the time that you're here with us. Thank you for trusting us with your time and being on this journey. It really does mean more to me and Kyle and the kids than you'll ever know. I think I'm going to enjoy my view. Take in the sounds. Do a little bit of calming before I head back down. As Kyle likes to say, take care of yourselves and each other. We'll talk soon. I love you. There's a monarch butterfly on this flower over here. I can't get it any closer. Look at it. First monarch I've seen of the season. What a moment. Oh, it's so cool. It's the little moments that we need to appreciate the most. They leave the biggest impact.